everyone. So right now we are at complex fluids lab of chemical department at IIT Ropar, and sir is with me who will tell us what facilities are available for the students at this lab.
Come. So yes. So in this lab we have this is complex fluids lab. So here we study fluids which are not Newtonian, okay, which do not follow Newton's law of viscosity, and specifically we study here active particle systems. I'll show you.
Okay, sir.
So in this here area we grow small microorganisms, suspension of microorganisms. One is vinegar eel, another is paramecia. So these are like self-propelled or swimming microorganisms, as we say. And then we do the rheology and the other experiments of active systems. So these are active because they can swim on their own, and they can show very interesting patterns. They can show very interesting behavior which passive particle systems do not show. We are trying to understand why is that, the basic physics of it. Okay, and then here is this what we made is a small Helicia cell. So this is Helicia cell is nothing but two parallel plates with a very thin gap. Okay, the plate dimension is very big and the gap is very thin, and in which we put fluids of different viscosities or different densities at different flow rate. So here we study fingering patterns, like when a viscous fluid is pushing a low viscous fluid, high viscosity fluid pushing low viscosity fluid, or a low viscosity pushing high viscosity fluid, all different permutation combination of that.
Great.
Okay, and like this kind of a research is being done here. So here you can see so how the viscosity patterns, so this is one of the research which is done on the Helicia cell, and so various fingering patterns, this instability, this is what we study on this. Okay, and then we go to our other lab where we have very complex. So here we have our rheometer. This is departmental research facility, and this rheometer is used to study the viscosity or the rheology of all complex fluids, whether it's a gel, whether it's a oil, whether it's all kind of fluids basically. Right now it is fitted with the interfacial rheology module. So in this interfacial rheology, what we do is we fill up to this line some different fluid, and after that other different fluid, and this upper plate goes up to this line, and then we study the rheology of the interface. So it is this equipment is that sophisticated that it can give you the rheology of interface also. Okay, other than that, there are other modules for this rheometer. We have magnetorheology, so that we can put the complex fluids in magnetic field, in electrical field, and we can also look at the microstructure from below while they were shearing in different fields.
Great.
Okay. Then here we have a plasma cleaner. So this is we use to clean the surfaces if we want to coat surfaces with PDMS or any other protein, and so we need to clean it. So this is oxygen plasma cleaner what we have in our laboratory. Okay. So that is all for this lab.
Great sir, very good lab.
Okay. So this is what we have in this lab, and these all equipments are used to study rheology and the dynamics of complex fluids.
So right now we have some people here. You are students here? You both come? Yeah, so just tell us about you.
Yeah, I am a PhD student. I am working on this active suspension. So we are trying to understand the behavior of that active suspension. and for this we are using this reometer, and these are some patterns what we are behavior of this on we are recording on this reometer.
Great. And what about you?
I am a summer research intern. I just came here 1 month ago and I am working on course and code in meticulous.
So you are studying at some another college?
Yeah, NIT Ropar.
Okay, you are doing BTech here.
Second
You
year.
can.
BTech
No,
second year from NIT Ropar, and you are here for
That is
intern.
what
So
we are going
students
to
from different
present in a
engineering
conference
colleges
in
doing
this.
BTech, they all welcome. They all are welcome to do their summer internship at IIT Ropar. You can come here, and HOD sir is very supportive to students. They want high research activities to be done in this our country in the field of chemical engineering.
I want to give one more piece of information.
Yes, sir.
That this research, what my PhD student Nazim Ali is doing, he is going to present this in an international conference, which is going to held in Athens this July.
Great. So we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Do a lot of research so that we become self-dependent.
So basically, here there are a lot of opportunities for students to do very high quality research and then present in international and national conferences.
And the most important thing, by visiting this Department of Chemical Engineering, I found that the students who do PhD in chemical engineering, okay, they need to invest some time here, but that is worth. After completing their PhD, they will get a lot of good jobs. Okay, recently sir told that some students joined Reliance Energy also.
Yes.
And you can go for postdoc in any foreign country after that. And many industries come here for campus placement, and they take students from PhD, right? So after PhD, teaching is not the only option. If someone want to join some industry, you will get a job in industry after joining PhD.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.